Hey, what's going on? Matthew Taman here with another Joomla tutorial for you. In this mini course, I want to go over how to start your own templates club with Joomla. I get so many emails from people. Matthew, I want to sell templates. I want to get in the industry. A lot of companies now want to get online and they need websites. So what can I do? How can I get a piece of that pie? Well, in this lesson, I'm going to show you how to get started. And I want to answer a few questions that most people have when they're first getting started. Now, I've been designing Joomla templates since version 1 was released. That's, a long time ago, right? So I've learned some key lessons and I want to share some of those with you. So if you've been thinking about, creating websites, right? People that need websites. Well, why not build websites that you can sell? It's a very profitable industry. And a lot of companies are getting online. So they're looking for templates. They're looking for people to build websites. Even if you're not a professional, right? I am going to show you how you can get started and how you can build things. So what you're looking at right now, this is my website, MatthewTaman.com. You go to themes. I design custom sales funnels for email marketing, for companies that want to do webinars and different types of websites as well. And I'm going to get a little bit detail about that later on. But I built my own themes from scratch. So what you're looking at right now, these are the themes that I designed from scratch. So let's take a look at this one here. So this one of the themes here, this one, Affy, is a custom template, once again, that I created. Scroll through, is very clean, has a really good conversion rate. So that's one of them among many others that I've done here, and people can use it for like this sales funnel. I get a lot of companies reach out to me, Matthew, can you build us a funnel? We need to be able to generate leads, capture certain information. So I do that specifically here for just this section. But there are also other Joomla template designers and developers that create themes. And let's take a look at a few of them now. I want to say this, there are so many of them that I'm not going to go through every single one of them. The reason why I am going through these, because these are the popular ones and they have been around for a very, very long time. And I have experience, using their products as well. But just to name a few. So you have Joomla Shaper here. They have, if you go over to their products, you go to templates. They are a template developer and designer company. Now, just on a quick note, side note here, you have developers and then you have designers. A designer is a person that do the front end. A developer is a person that do the back end. I'm going to explain how that works later on. So don't worry about it. If you're not a developer, you don't know how to code and you're scared, like, man, is this going to work? Can I do it? Yes, you can. And I will show you how to do so. So this is one of the companies that build websites that you can purchase. Right, you can preview their sites. You can see the different industries that they offer templates here. They have over 138 Joomla template. And with the right marketing, you can make thousands of dollars per month selling your template. And I will go over certain options that you have when it comes to selling. So this is one of them, the Joomla Shaper website. Another one too is the Joomla. They've been around for a while. They've purchased a lot of other, Joomla companies, and they have a ton of templates. They have over 400 different templates that you can be able to use. So let's go over here now, Joomla templates. So they also have different, categories that you can choose from: business, e-commerce, personal, and you can scroll through their website and just kind of get a feel for what their template looks like. So let's do that now. Let's say I'm going to pick this one, go to preview. And when you go to preview, you can be able to preview how it looks. It's very clean, very simple, very professional. So you can learn how to design something like this as well. You can check out the devices, how it looks in different devices. And then you have here the Joomla template for Joomla. They have their own style as well. So you click on there and you can go to live demo. And they have other templates you can choose based on the style. The same thing too for Rocket Theme. Now, Rocket Theme, of course, most of these guys say they do templates in both Joomla and WordPress, but I'm covering just Joomla now. So let's go over to Joomla for Rocket Theme. These guys are like the original Joomla template, developers, designers. When I first started, I used to use a lot of their themes. Back then, I used to pirate their themes, just being honest. So you go to demo, and you can see how their templates look as well. So you scroll through. Now, the reason why I am doing this because I want to show you that different designers have different style, right? You can see how this style is different. Joomla style is different. Joomshaper style is different. Now let's go over to another one here. This is the U theme, and they have their style as well. As you can see from here, you go to preview. All of these template developers have a certain style. So we'll have this one here. You can scroll through, see how that looks. So in a nutshell, what is a template site? It's a place where you can go in and you can, see the templates that they have, and you can choose to purchase, or you can hire the designers and developers to do it. So another question people have is, why start one? Why should I start a template designing or developing company? I'm not a designer. I may not have all the skills and expertise that these guys have. Obviously, they've been doing this for a very long time, and it shows. You look at their work and you look at some of the stuff that I've done here. I've been designing templates, custom templates for years now. And you'll probably say, Matthew, I don't have that expertise. Can I still do this? You absolutely can, and just stay tuned, and I am going to show you how you can do that. Designers or template clubs, they're very profitable. Again, as I mentioned before, you have so many companies now that because of the pandemic, they want to get online, right? They want to get their business online. So most of them, they don't have the expertise nor the time. Sometimes they don't have the budget to hire someone to do it for them. So they're looking for something that's simple, professional, elegant, so they can just plug and play and get going right away. So that's one of the reasons why you need to start. And you can hire a small team, right? So first, you have two groups of people. You have one group that says, Matthew, I don't want to deal with this. In terms of doing the actual design, can I just hire a team, get a team together, and they can do this for me? You certainly can. If you don't have the time or the expertise you think to do this, you can get a team to do that for you. And one of the things that I do too is I help companies, put together teams for their designing department. So you can get a team to do that for you, right? Now, the other group of people that say, you know what, they're like me. I want to get down dirty. I want to learn. I want to do it myself, and they want to get it done. Now, the way that I got started in template design, it was I hired someone. I had an offshore developer / designer years ago to work on a project for me, and it was a big project. I think it was like 10,000 at that time, like a huge project, right? So this was like a consistent client. Well, the problem was when I needed